wants is to be fed by hand, guys. That's what she loves. Hey, Mama. I love touching her little feet, guys. They're just so cushiony and warm. Petunia, beautiful girlie. I heard you calling me, Mama. Beautiful Mama. Look at her little head. Beautiful Mama. You want to say anything to the people of Daisy Hill, Mama? The people you love? Beautiful sweetheart. Beautiful sweetie. Beautiful sweetie. You should feel her body, guys. It's so soft. It's like an angel. I think she's an angel of heaven.